Welcome to the project demonstration of Raspberry Pi based vehicle starter with face recognition and also alcohol detection with alerting through SMS. So the first feature is the system will capture the image based on the engine starting input from the switch. So when the person presses switch, then the system will capture the image and thereafter go with the image processing, and then it will identify the faces if the face was found inside that. So we need to store around 4 to 5 faces initially. Once the face was recognized with the person 1 or person 2, then only the system will on this DC motor, and if the person was alcoholic detected from this alcohol sensor, then automatically the system of the DC motor means engine and will send the SMS alert to the registered phone number. So here we are using the GSM and GPS for SMS sending along with the location. So SMS open here, and so to controlling the DC motor. So these are the messages we have received while testing. Alert alcohol detected, so-called location. So here we are getting the 00 values. So the when we place the kit under the roof without any sky vision, then the GPS antenna won't get the satellite vision, so it won't provide the live location values in terms of latitude and longitude. So when we place that under the sky view, then the GPS antenna will get the satellite vision. Based on the trilateration method, it will provide us the PVT, that's a position, velocity, time. So from that string, a Raspberry Pi will extract the latitude and longitude values, and whenever the abnormality detected from this alcohol sensor, same latitude values will be placed in the Google Map link and sent to the registered phone number along with alert message. So here the process is as we discussed: press once, first time it will capture the image, second time it will consider as a off the engine, again third time again on the engine based on the image processing, like that. So next, if abnormally detected as alcohol sensor, the system will on the buzzer through this piezo buzzer. So on this piezo buzzer we can see the transistor. So both are look like same boards. One is to on the buzzer, another is to on this DC motor. And the next, this is a breadboard to distribute the 5 volts power supply throughout the input and output modules. And these two control buttons are used to format and store the faces when you want to register new faces inside this Pi. Right. F for format and S for store the new faces from this Pi camera. So here the process is initially we need to insert a memory card with Raspbian OS Buster version, and then after we need to install the respected modules like NumPy and OpenCV and Scikit. So these are the main modules for do the image processing related to the face recognition, and then we write the code in Python 3.7 version to run the face recognition first, and then digital read from this alcohol sensor. Based on these two inputs, we are going to control the outputs like DC motor, buzzer and GSM sending SMS. So before on the kit, so the very first step is we need to insert a valid SIM card other than Jio. So you can use Airtel SIM card or VI or BSNL other than Jio. Insert that as shown in this manner, and initially on the power supply to this GSM modem, and wait the GSM modem get the signal. So that will be identified with the help of this green light. So here we can see this light blinks first initially. Once the GSM modem got the signal, the blinking red got slowed down. Right, now you can say that the blinking red got slowed down. Then only on the power supply to this Raspberry Pi, the next step. So first insert the SIM card, wait for the signal, and then insert the power supply for this Raspberry Pi. So wait for 20 to 30 seconds for booting. On successful booting, the system will display the welcome message and the buzzer will get on and off 2 times. Right, so the camera light got switched on, and now within 5 seconds, right, welcome message, buzzer on and off. Right, so here I will show you the format. So if you want to erase the total database of the faces, just press and hold this, then it will delete the database of all. So here one more precaution message for the demonstration. If you see the please restart message on the LCD, then hold this button and off and on the Raspberry Pi power supply. Now coming to the storage, so it will start storing the images from the person 1 continuously. Now right, so for demonstration, please keep the camera at your eye level and plain background. no person should be present backside of you while storing the images, faces. Okay. Right, now press this S button. So enrolling. So person 1. So like that, if the person 1 stored already, then it will go with the person 2. So see, when my face is present in front of the camera, then only the count will be increments. So the count is 45 samples to be taken from the face. While capturing this, place the face in different expressions and different angle, like as you store for your phone face recognition, right? Like the same, you should place the different angle faces. Right. So when the samples collected, so faces enrolled successfully done. Right. So searching for satellite means, as of now there is no satellite vision for this. Now when I want to on the engine, just press this button. It will display the captured image. Once a face recognition successfully done, access granted. Right. Okay. And then next, if you press it again, so it off the engine. Again on. Right. And now if alcohol input, so for demonstration we are using the permanent marker as it consists of the alcohol content. So just providing the input near the sensor, we can see one light gets switched on and the motor will get switched off, and we will receive the message. Unlock. Right, we got the message now itself. 6:24. Right. Okay. So once again, we'll show you the message. Right. So in this manner, we are providing the security for the vehicle along with drunk and drive detection with alcohol sensor and face recognition for vehicle safety.